Hi there. If you've ever wondered whether Alibaba is legit or just another scam, you're not alone. Today I'm going to share 6 real products I personally ordered from Alibaba. I'll tell you how much I paid, how much they sell for in Zimbabwe, and the profits you can make. Let's dive in.
Product 1. 2.5-inch 3.0 laptop hard drive casings. The 2.5-inch refers to the size and 3.0 is the data transfer speed, around 60 to 120 megabytes per second. On Alibaba, these cost about $1.15 each. In Zimbabwe, they sell for $5 to $7. When I started, I ordered 11 units. It cost me $35 to get them here. I sold them at $5 each and made about $20 profit. That was a big deal for me back then. I used air shipping, which gave me a landing cost of $3.19 per unit. Now I ship by sea, which is much cheaper. Shipping 300 units costs around $456 total. That brings the landing cost down to $1.52 per unit. If I sell each at $5, that's $1,500 in total sales and a profit of about $1,044. Even if I sell at $3, I still make $444 profit.
Product 2. 3.5-inch 3.0 desktop hard drive casings. These come with a 12-volt power supply because most laptop USB ports only supply 5 volts, not enough for desktop drives. They work with both laptop and desktop hard drives. They cost around $3.85 on Alibaba and resell for $15 to $20 locally. They are profitable when shipped by sea, since only 2 units make up a kilogram.
Product 3. Gaming mouse and keyboard combo. These are trending among gamers. Everyone wants that RGB setup, and honestly, they look great compared to the boring keyboards most of us use. Locally, they sell for about $15. In China, they cost only $3.55. That's a solid profit margin for anyone starting small.
Product 4. RGB gaming mouse. For those who do not want the full combo, start here. These cost 55 cents on Alibaba and resell for $3 to $5. They are small, lightweight, and sell fast. Perfect for students and casual gamers. Product 5. RGB wireless Type-C rechargeable mouse. This is the one I personally use. It charges via Type-C, so no more worrying about AAA batteries dying in the middle of the night. It lasts over a week on a single charge and has a 5000 milliamp battery built in. They go for around $5 locally. On Alibaba, they cost $1 with a landing price between $1.10 and $1.40, depending on quantity.
Product 6. Display cables. We use these every day for TVs, monitors, or projectors. Locally, they sell for about $5. On Alibaba, they cost between 50 and 80 cents. With shipping, the total landing cost is roughly $1, leaving plenty of room for profit.
Now, here is something important. Yes, products on Alibaba are very cheap, but they're even cheaper when you buy in bulk. The challenge is that most of us don't have thousands of dollars just sitting around, so we'll need to help each other. So I'm starting a group for people who want to import together, share costs, and learn as a team. Before joining, you'll need to take my face-to-face tutorials. It costs $25 so that you understand the process and calculate the landing price before you invest,
so that you see whether the product is profitable or not. This is not an online class. It's in-person practical tutorial, and I'll be available to guide you if you're facing any issues. If you can't afford that right now, don't worry. I have created a free video series on YouTube that covers the basics. You'll find the links in the description if you're watching on YouTube and in the comments if you're on Facebook. Whether you learn in person or through my videos, I'll do my best to guide you. Please subscribe or follow. Thanks for listening.